Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on Start Lab, right? First of all, click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. So finally, our ID is now ready. Now the first thing what you need to do, first of all, copy this name. Now go to File and just click on Create New File. Okay. Now here, what we need to do, wait a second. In the description box, we have shared one repository. You have to come over here, select it, and then first of all, copy this directly. Then we'll save the file. Now just come over here. Here we have to update the project ID and the location. From here, just carefully copy the project ID, right? Carefully copy it and similarly do with the location too. So we have updated both the things. Now just click Ctrl S to save or just file or just save like this. Now for the file name, if you remember, I've shared we have to copy this, just copy it like this. In the untitled place, just update it and just click on save. Now once all these things are saved, okay, just save it. Wait a second, it's successfully saved. Now copy this command and just paste over here and hit enter. Now wait for it. If you are getting any error, do not worry about it. You need to wait for some time and you'll get the score without any issue. Just wait for some more time. Keep hitting check my progress and wait for some more time. So you can see that we have got the score without any issue. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Complete solution guide are available on the channel. Just simply come to the playlist and see all the challenges, all the details, all different events are live. So thank you. Goodbye.